And the mob rats out to grave.
Oh, Cheshire Cat, it's you!
Did you expect the white rabbit, perchance?
Oh, no, no, no. I'm through with rabbits. I want to go home. But I can't find my way.
Naturally, that's because you have no way. Always here you see are the Queen's way.
But I've never met any queen.
You haven't. You haven't. Ooh, but you must. She'll be mad about you, simply mad. And the mall rats out to grave.
How can I find her?
Well, some go this way, some go that way. But as for me, myself personally, I'd prefer the shortcut.
Oh!
Da 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 do da do da. I say, how you getting on?
Not at all.
Beg your pardon.
I said not at all.
Who are you talking to?
Oh, a cat, Your Majesty.
Cat? Where?
There! Oh, there he is again.
I warn you, child. If I lose my temper, you lose your head. Understand?
You know, we could make her very angry. Shall we try?
Oh, no, no!
Oh, but it's loads of fun.
Oh, no! Stop it! Oh, no! Oh, Your Majesty!
Yes, my dear.
Look! There he is now!
Huh? What? Who?
The Cheshire Cat!
Cat!
Your Majesty, indeed. Why, you're not a queen. You're just a fat, pompous, bad-tempered old tyrant.
And, what were you saying, my dear?
Well, she simply said that you're a fat, pompous, bad-tempered old tyrant.
Ah!